Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel Login 8. In this video, I will guide you on how to check Vanilla Visa card balance. So if you also want to check Vanilla Visa card balance, this video is just for you. Follow the simple steps and you'll be able to do it. So you can check the balance of a Vanilla Visa card through various ways. You can either do it online or you can also do it by phone or in store. If you want to check your balance by phone, simply call the toll-free number on the back of your card. After that, follow through the automated prompts and enter your card details if prompted. After that, you'll be able to check your balance. If you want to check your balance in store, what you have to do is visit a store that accepts vanilla gift cards. After that, go to the cashier's desk and ask to check your balance. The easiest way to check your balance is online. If you want to check your balance online, first of all, what you have to do is launch open any browser of your choice. You can see over here, I've opened Google Chrome. Once you open the browser, what you have to do is click on the search bar and type in vanillagift.com. After that, you'll be led to the official website of Vanilla Gift. Make sure you're logged into your account. You'll be able to find several options over here. So in order to check the balance, what you have to do is click on this option, check balance, that you can see right over here on your screen. Now after that, you can see over here, you'll be led to this kind of interface. From here, you'll be able to check your balance. All you have to do is enter your card number, expiration date and CVV over here. First of all, simply enter the card number. You can find your card number on the back of the physical card or in the email if you have a digital card. So simply enter the 16-digit card number over here. Now after you enter the card number, what you have to do is enter the expiration date. Simply enter the month. After that, enter the year. Likewise, what you have to do is enter the CVV. Simply enter the CVV. Now, after you enter all the details, what you have to do is click on the continue option that you can see on the screen. Now, after you do that, you'll be able to check your balance of Vanilla Visa card. So that is how you check Vanilla Visa card balance. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel.